How to find Clipboard on Samsung phone. So if you have recently copied any text and now you want to paste it in a chat with your friend, for example, but don't know where to find your Clipboard, I'm going to show you right away. Firstly, let's open up Messenger or any app in which you can text. And I'm going to open chat with my friend. So first thing you can do to find your copied message is you can press and hold on the text message field until you see several options from which you need to choose paste. With this way, you will bring back your copied text from Clipboard. But if you want to find Clipboard itself and the icon for Clipboard and not just one message but maybe 3 copied messages before, for that we need to open settings, scroll down till general management, and from here choose Samsung keyboard settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down till Style and Layout section, and here we are interested in the setting Keyboard Toolbar. So if this is turned off, then turn on by toggle on the switch and you should see Toolbar on your keyboard. Let's check it. I'm gonna open Messages again. And yep, now you can see above my keyboard I have smiley face, I have settings, and most importantly now I can see Clipboard, which is the third icon from the left side. So just click on the Clipboard and you will see all your copied text recently. You can also tap on the pin icon and pin any copied text. Let's say I will pin hi, and now it will be pinned here and I can use it each time I want to send someone message, including hi word. Now you can also delete something from here if you tap on the recycle bin and select option you want to delete. And to paste anything from your Clipboard, just click on the message itself. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.